Good evening. My name is Andy. I'm actually at the moment standing on the 7th floor at Citygate Melbourne Hotel, overlooking the South Yarra precinct, and at my foreground here is the Flinders Street railway station, which is about 200 years old. The air temperature at the moment is about 34 degrees Celsius, which is a very warm evening. It's about 8 o'clock, and the sunset will be probably at about 9:30 tonight. The fireworks will occur at the South Bank precinct, which is just at the back of this building here, and it will come in two separate sessions. The 9:30 session, which is for the family, and the midnight session, which is to welcome officially 2012, the Chinese Year of the Dragon. Until then, we will of course talk again, hopefully with Mum, and with the fireworks going, at our background here, with all the fanfare and the noise and the lightning and the thunder and so on to go with it. And it's all preparing for a wonderful evening, which we like to share with you this particular New Year's Eve 2011. Thank you. And it's Happy New Year to all of you, 2012 from Melbourne, Australia. It is now about 10 seconds after midnight, and in Melbourne, temperature is about 23 degrees Celsius on the 1st of January 2012. Mum and I just like to say Happy New Year to all of you. Are you out?
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to all of you, and from Melbourne. And I hope you have a much better year this year than 2011. I'll just keep my mouth shut now and let you enjoy the beautiful Melbourne fireworks. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn off the lights. Here we go. This is what we're looking at here is just across South Bank here, and in Melbourne we have fireworks here, which basically are coming from all the buildings in Melbourne to welcome the New Year 2012 from Melbourne, Australia. The number of people estimated in Melbourne is about 500,000 people at the South Bank precinct to enjoy the magnificent, fireworks, which Melbourne has put on a real show this year for all of us, and it's I think a very memorable occasion for all of us. Yes. You can actually feel the vibration, through the hotel window here. We're actually at Citygate Melbourne, which is about 7th floor, overlooking the South Yarra South Bank precinct. Time now is about 2 minutes past midnight, which is the 1st of January 2012.
Beautiful colours across the city, bathed in gold. 500,000 people turning out along the Yarra River in the heart of Melbourne, in Federation Square, all celebrating the arrival of 2012.
The building which you're looking at now, of course, is the Eureka building, which is the tallest residential building in the Southern Hemisphere, and the fireworks. Oh wow, look at that, this is amazing. Look at that, magnificent. Wow, I've never seen anything like this before. That's amazing, look at that. I know, it's beautiful, isn't it? Once again from Melbourne, Australia, I'd just like to greet all of you, welcoming 2012. A very happy new year, and I'm sure this year will be a fantastic year, much better than 2011, which is certainly what the yes. My mum just said world peace and prosperity for all of us. Oh, isn't that magnificent? I've never seen these fireworks before. They're all new compared with last year. Wow. This is the Christmas electronic display at the atrium, the Crown Entertainment Complex in Melbourne. Every year they have different electronic lights and music show for the theme of the season. At the moment it's Christmas, so there's a carousel on the left-hand side, there's Christmas tree in the middle, and there's a wondrous magical crown on the right-hand side. You can see, if I move the camera down, you see a lot of people are now, watching this show with their family and children at the atrium. So I'll just put up there. Isn't that beautiful? And the music, fantastic. Have a happy new year, everybody. 2012. Santa Claus is arriving, he said. So I wonder where Santa Claus is. I can hear him now. I can hear Santa Claus. Oh, here it comes. Look at him. Wow. Here's my brother taking the video shots. That's him there. It's my brother. And that's the finale. Look at that. Look at the finale. Wow. Beautiful. Fantastic. Conservatory at Crown Entertainment Complex. This is the smorgasbord here, which is to celebrate my birthday, and that's Mum there. Mum, say hello.
Hi.
Happy New Year, Mum. Okay. And it's wonderful music there. There's got all these jazz people there singing. Nice music which I like. So. Isn't that a nice atmosphere to celebrate my birthday?